In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add your employees to QuickBooks Online Payroll. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go, what to enter, and how to save everything correctly so your team is ready for their first payday. First, sign in to QuickBooks Online and open Payroll. If you use multiple companies or roles, make sure you're in the correct company and that you have payroll admin access, since only admins can add employees. From the payroll overview, you'll see the core payroll areas laid out. Head over to the Employees section to manage your team. Inside Employees, select Add an Employee. This opens a guided form. Start with the basics. Enter the employee's legal name and a work email. The email is important because QuickBooks can use it to securely collect details directly from the employee, reducing data entry and typos. If you prefer to enter everything yourself, that's fine. Just make sure the information is accurate and matches official documents. Next, complete the profile. Work through each key section so nothing is missed. In personal info, add required details such as address and any identification your region requires. In employment details, set their hire date, work location, and employment type so labor laws and taxes apply correctly. Move to pay. Choose hourly or salary. Add the pay rate, pay schedule, and any standard hours. If they're eligible for overtime, confirm how that's calculated. In tax withholding, capture their withholding selections based on their tax forms. Accuracy here prevents under or over withholding and headaches at year end. For payment method, choose how they'll be paid, direct deposit or paper check, and enter bank details only if you're authorized to do so. In deductions and contributions, set up items like benefits, retirement plans, garnishments, or company-paid contributions. Use the correct accounts and vendor links so payroll reports and the general ledger stay aligned. When everything looks good, select Add Employee to create the record. Then save the profile so all sections are committed. Before you move on, scan for any yellow alerts or missing fields that QuickBooks flags. Clearing those now ensures a smooth first payroll. You're done. You should now see the new employee listed in the Employees tab with their status updated. Repeat this process for each team member, keeping documentation handy so the data you enter matches official records. With complete and accurate profiles, your payroll runs will be faster, your tax filings will be cleaner, and your employees will get paid correctly and on time.